question is, it's okay to reject money that comes from and with idolaters' advice of going against the Torah, based on Birkat of where we ask HaShem not to need gifts of human hands nor loans.
Okay, no, what's up, sir? So there is no problem that human gifts. HaShem is going to send you money. Let's say from humans, there is no problem here. Human a person is one of the channels how a person is going to receive his parnasa. So if I go to work and they want to pay me money, I said no, I'm not going to accept. I only want to send to get the package from heaven. So I'm going to work this way. So if people are idolaters, so if they're simply non-Jews, right? They not for Yoshke, they not missionize you. So you can take the money. There is no problem. You understand? So of course we don't use this money to buy the Torah. Of course we don't use this money to buy whatever we buy, but we can use for other things, to buy food, to buy toilet paper, soap, whatever, toothpaste. Pay for your rent. There is no problem.
So, but in this case, this person he knows already that I want to make aliyah. So the purpose of giving me money is to persuade me not to do this.
Not to do aliyah?
I think that.
Why would they care? Why do they care? Like?
He pretend that I stay here. He's against my faith.
Okay, so I mean, he can be against whatever he wants. You can take money. So of course, this money should not be attached to any promise that you taking money. So if somebody wants to give you money, he can give you money. It does not have to be attached to any condition. You understand? So I mean, two separate things.
Because I compare this with some situation that we heard in some shurim about somebody who wants to donate to a synagogue, but the purpose of this person is to tell the rabbi what to do.
Okay, so if it's such a relationship, yes, but does Rabbi have to listen to what the person says? No. If he chooses to listen to that person, right? So he will listen. If not. You understand? So, but some rabbis they bend, and because they think they're not going to survive without this rich person. And that's what happened in one of the countries that I have students in that country, in main city. There was a rabbi, and they told me there is no rabbis. I said, what happened? I talked to him, very nice, pleasant person, right? And they say the guy in charge was the rich guy the Jew from America, and he decided how the Judaism is supposed to be, and Rabbi was against it. Guess why? Guess what? You understand? And this rich Gwir, he fired Rabbi, so Rabbi went back to Israel, unfortunately. Right? But if they're strong Kehillah, they can send no. Okay, so they will say no. You can take your money and go. I mean, of course, we're not going to give you money back, but don't give us any loan anymore. Have to be strong person.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.